In this video, you'll learn how to update your payment method on Wecasa. This guide will walk you through the steps necessary to add a new card and link it to your recurring services if needed. Begin by logging into your customer area. You can do this either through the Wecasa app or the website. Look for the option that prompts you to enter your credentials. After you've entered your email and password, click on Login to access your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the section labeled Payment Methods. This area is typically found in the main menu of your account dashboard. After selecting it, you will see an overview of any existing payment methods currently linked to your account. To add a new card, look for an option that says Add New Card or something similar. Click on this to open a form where you can enter your new card details. Fill in the required fields, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues during transactions. After entering your card information, look for a button labeled Save or Add Card. Click this to save your new payment method. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your card has been successfully added. It is advisable to check that the card details are displayed correctly in the payment method section. If you have recurring cleaning services and wish to link your new card to these bookings, you will need to contact Wecasa's customer support team. Prepare to provide the last 4 digits of the new card you wish to use. This step is crucial to ensure that your future payments are processed correctly using the updated payment method. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.